In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of sending a reminder using Pandadoc. Whether you're sending documents for signing or approval, keeping track of recipient engagement is essential. Pandadoc provides a straightforward and efficient way to follow up, ensuring your documents get the attention they need. Let's dive into this process together, step by step. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Pandadoc account. Head over to the Pandadoc website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a clear interface that displays all your current documents. This dashboard acts as your command center, where you can oversee all the documents you've prepared. Next, you'll want to locate the specific document for which you need to send a reminder. On your dashboard, you'll see a list of all your documents. Carefully scroll through until you find the one you're looking to follow up on. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct document, since this helps to ensure that your reminders are appropriate and timely. Once you've identified the document in question, you'll need to hover over the icon that represents the recipient you want to remind. This may involve moving your mouse pointer over the recipient's details, usually highlighted by a small icon next to their name. Hovering over the recipient's icon is a key step because it reveals additional options that you can take advantage of, like sending reminders. With the recipient identified, it's time to choose how you want to send your reminder. Pandadoc makes it simple by offering the flexibility of sending reminders either via email or text message, depending on what best suits your and the recipient's communication preferences. It's worthwhile to consider the recipient's preferred method of contact to increase the chance that they notice and respond to your reminder in a timely manner. Finally, ensure you've double-checked your choice of reminder method. Once you're satisfied, click on the Send Reminder button to finalize the process. This is the part where your careful preparations pay off. By sending this reminder, you're making sure your document remains at the forefront of the recipient's to-do list. And that's it. You've successfully sent a reminder using Pandadoc. This process is a fantastic way to efficiently manage your document workflow and keep things progressing smoothly. Remember, effective communication is key, and using tools like Pandadoc helps ensure your professional interactions are timely and organized. Feel free to watch this video as many times as needed to become more comfortable with the steps. Thanks for following along, and happy document managing.